Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We're just going to be doing some fireworks up close. Okay, where are we going to light it? Okay. It's very dark outside, but you guys might be able to see like the firework. I think you guys still see me? Yeah, a little bit, not much. We're just going down to the bucket here. I'll get the bucket right quick. It's night. Oh, there it is, there it is. Oh! Oh.
That's lovely. Lovely jubbly. Lovely jubbly.
That's up close. I don't think you guys can see it right now, so I'm just going to flip it back to me. Hello. Is it done?
Typical mom. Did you get anything?
I think it's done. That was cool. We're going to do another one maybe? Oh, you're doing one right there. Oh, frick. Woo! Shit. Where is it? It's right there, that little light. Oh.
Damien, come away.
No, he's providing the light for
Not a good idea.
I'm getting it on film.
I got it in film already!
Are we doing another one?
Oh my God, you hear that?
We're doing another one. Stay tuned. I have to end this to get on flashlight. Or no, never mind. Okay, what one are we gonna do?
do 2 Roman candles.
Yes!
Oh. Ugh. I wish I could get.
Oh my.
Oh.
Damien,
Smart.